Hey, this is Geraldine with TechMaker TV. Today I wanted to show you how to use Github Pages. So if you wish that you could put online some HTML that you have written just by drag and dropping a file, well, you can do that with Github Pages. That's pretty cool. So if you don't have a Github account yet, just go ahead and sign up. Once you have created your account, we are gonna go create a new repository. So you use that little plus icon at the top, click new repo. And so a repo is where the code that you want to upload or write is going to be stored, and Github is going to use the files to populate your website. So I am going to name this website or this project new personal website. You can add a description. We're gonna leave it public, but you could make it private if you want, but then you need a paid Github account to use Github Pages, so we're gonna leave it public for now. I'm checking the box to get a README. It's just for me, and I'm creating the repo. From here, we are gonna go and add the files that we have already created. So you could go ahead and, if you want, create it on the fly. Just create a new file, and you're gonna be able to write some HTML in there, or just upload file if you already have some. So I have an index page that I already created, so I'm gonna drag and drop it here. You can see that you uploaded right there. And I'm gonna commit the changes, which is gonna save the file on that repo. Go ahead and commit to master. Okay, so our index file is here. So the next step is gonna be to activate the Github page for this repo. So you go to settings and scroll down until you see Github Pages. Alright, and here you just select a source, which is gonna be the master branch of the repo that we just created. That's where we put our index file. And so this will be the root. So that's correct. Save that. And this is it. Your website is online. So go back down and you can find the URL where whatever you uploaded is on. So click on this URL. And this is the index file that we uploaded. So if you have a custom URL, you can go back and enter it here, and your website will be at this URL instead of the default Github one.